Ever since the WHO announced that an Indian-made pharmaceutical cough syrup killed 66 children in a small West African nation of Gambia, people are on the alert. They have also said that this particular cough syrup that killed 66 children was consumed by them, and there were injuries found in their kidneys. The WHO has said and put this cough syrup under the list of do not use medicines. Now, to name them, these are promethazine oral solution, Cofexmalin baby cough syrup, Makeoff baby cough syrup, and Magrip N cold syrup. Interestingly, all 4 of these cough syrups are made by one Indian pharmaceutical company that's now under the scanner, Maiden Pharmaceuticals. It's headquartered in Haryana in India, and it has corporate offices in Delhi. But as soon as the WHO put out this information internationally, the Indian Drug Regulatory Authority was also quick to react. Now, India has a very good image when it comes to being the world's pharmacy, because not just medicines, but India has also actively supplied vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic. The WHO itself has praised India's role in vaccine supplies as well medical supplies to all the nations that needed it. These incidences are tarnishing India's image when it comes to being the world's pharmacy. Diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol are 2 of these poisonous, harmful substances when ingested by a human body in excessive amounts. Of course, it can cause problems, lead to injuries in kidneys. Doctors also say that it could lead to vomiting, headaches, nausea, and other such symptoms, which were experienced by these children in Gambia.
अधिक मात्रा में ये डाइथिलीन ग्लाइकोल या एथिलीन ग्लाइकोल जो जनरली कफ सिरप में या बहुत सारे ओवर द काउंटर सेल होने वाले जो प्रोडक्ट हैं उसमें होता है, तो उससे 2 मेन टॉक्सिसिटी होती है। एक तो नर्वस सिस्टम को डैमेज करता है और किडनी को डैमेज करता है। बच्चे चूँकि छोटे होते हैं, उनका बॉडी वेट कम होता है, तो कंटेमिनेशन अगर आप बढ़ जाता है तो उसमें इसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स होने की ज़्यादा संभावना बढ़ जाती है।
The real question that is being raised at the moment is, if it's an Indian pharmaceutical company, are these syrups also being sold in the country? So no, the government has responded that these syrups and these 4 in particular were only given license by the State Drug Regulatory Authority to be exported to Gambia, and they were not given any license to be put for sale within the Indian subcontinent. But the question is that the government has still not stopped Maiden Pharmaceuticals, who makes a lot other medical drugs and supplies them in the country and abroad as well. People who consume cough syrup without taking prescriptions from doctors, it could result in long-term problems in your kidneys, and in any case, it's not advisable to drink cough syrup whenever you have a cough. It's always better to take a medical advice from your doctors. If you're an adult, and the quantity of cough syrup that needs to be had is also prescribed, and for children especially, a pediatrician's guidelines should be adhered to while giving your children any sort of cough syrup for their problems.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.